Punya, okay? Are you okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Comparatively and compared to yesterday's sound and all, today it is very okay. Ashwin, Emmanuel, Srihari, Diya, good morning. Rijas, Atul, Navrin, okay children, hope we can start. So yesterday we learned some formulas, multiple angles formulas in trigonometry. Hope you are eagerly waiting for the questions. Let me check. Okay, Ashwin, sine 2a. Ashwin,
2 sin A cos A.
2 sine a cos a. Very good. Gayatri, cos 2a in terms of tan.
One minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square.
1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a. Rijas, sine 3a.
4 sin A plus 3 sin cube A.
Aditya, what is sine 3a?
And 4 cos cube A minus
Yes. In sine 3a, we will get only sine. In cos 3a, we will get only cos terms. In tan 3a, we will get only tan terms.
and 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A.
What is cos 3a?
3 cos
It starts with 4. For cos, it starts with 4. Sine, it starts with 3. So, cos 3a is
4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A.
4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. Diya, sine 2a in terms of tan.
2 tan A by 1 plus tan square.
Michael, ready? Okay, get ready. Atul, sine
Yes, ma'am.
3a.
3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A.
Punya, tan of a plus b.
And tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B.
Nandana, cos a plus b.
Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B.
Okay. Srihari.
Yes, ma'am.
Tan 3a.
3 tan A minus tan cube A by 1 minus 3 tan square.
Achut, tan 2a.
2 sin A cos A.
Tan 2a, tan.
2 tan A by 1 minus tan square.
What is cos 2a?
Cos square A minus sin square A.
Cos squared a minus sin squared a. Okay. Emmanuel, sin 2a.
2 sin A cos A.
Okay. Aryan, cos 2a in terms of sine. Aryan, cos 2a in terms of sine.
1 minus 2 sin square.
Very good. Gauri?
Yes, ma'am.
Cos 2a in terms of cos. Very good. Now bring tan of a minus b.
Tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b.
Okay. Sania, cos 3a.
Cos cube a minus 3 cos a.
Okay. Now Michael, what is sin 3a?
3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a.
What is sin 2a?
2 sin a cos a.
What is cos 2a in terms of cos?
2 cos square a minus 1.
Very good. What is cos 2a in terms of sin?
1 minus 2 sin square a.
Very good. Very good. Okay. Still, okay. So yesterday I gave 3 questions. How many of you tried that questions? I thought Achyut will be sending the answer like the previous day. I was expecting that one. What happened, Achyut?
Yesterday I had to complete maths notes now.
Okay, okay. So I thought you will be sending the answer. Okay, now listen children. Okay, so sin 2a, the basic formula is 2 sin a cos a. So likewise for cos 2a, it is cos square a minus sin square a. In terms of cos, we have 2 cos square a minus 1. In terms of sin, it is 1 minus 2 sin square a. Okay, so now let us do the problems. Take your textbook, exercise 3.3. We are going to do the 23rd question, 24th question and 25th question. 23, 24, 25. Multiple angles, we are converting it into trigonometric simple ratios. Okay, look at here. Prove that. The first one is prove that tan 4x is equal to 4 tan x.
Ma'am, page number.
Trigonometry chapter, 3rd chapter, page number 74. 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x by 1 minus 6 tan square x plus tan raised to 4x. This is what we want to prove. Okay, tan 4x is equal to 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x by 1 minus 6 tan square x plus tan raised to 4x. Here children, okay, let us start from LHS. So in LHS we have tan 4x. So it is not compulsory all the time you have to start with LHS. I think you will be familiar with proving the trigonometric identities, problems based on trigonometric identities. You can start from LHS or you can start from RHS. So here we are starting from tan 4x. Tan 4x we can write this as tan of, we know formula tan 2a and tan 3a only we know. So this tan 4x we can write this as tan of 2 into 2x. Is it correct? Then I am going to substitute. Put 2x is equal to y. So 2x we are taking it as y. So it takes the form tan 2y. Tan 2y. What is tan 2a in terms of tan? What is tan 2a in terms of tan?
2 tan a by 1 minus tan square.
2 tan a by 1 minus tan squared. So 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square y. Is it okay? Up to this, is it okay children? Nandana? Diya?
Yes, ma'am.
So now listen, in the question it is in terms of x. So we should convert it. Okay? So this y, we should replace it with x. So the next step, what is y? Replace it. 2 tan 2x by 1 minus tan square 2x. Is it okay? Now again we have formula. We know what is tan 2x. Okay, here also we have tan 2x. Apply for tan 2x. So it is 2 into, what is tan 2x? 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x by 1 minus tan 2x the whole square. Tan square 2x means tan 2x the whole square. So you can write this as 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x the whole square. Up to this, is it okay, children? Up to this, is it clear? Any doubt up to this step?
No.
Atul, is it okay? Aditya, Israj?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now listen, children. Look at the numerator. So the numerator we can write it as. So numerator 2 into 2, it will become 4. 4 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. Okay. By, okay, this is the common by the denominator 1 minus 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x the whole square. When you expand it, you will get 4 tan square x by 1 minus tan square x the whole square. A by b the whole square is a square by b square. Emmanuel, is it okay? Is it clear up to this, Emmanuel?
Yes, ma'am.
So the next step, numerator already it is in the simplified form. Denominator, look at the denominator. Here we can take the denominator. Okay, here we can take the common LCM. Cross multiply. Cross multiplying in the denominator, what you will get? Okay, cross multiplying in the denominator. So it is equal to numerator, no change at all. 4 tan x by 1 minus tan square x by, so the denominator you are cross multiplying. So you will get 1 minus tan square x the whole square minus 4 tan square x by 1 minus tan square x the whole square. 1 minus tan square x the whole square. So now what is the next step? What is the next step? Division of two fractions. So what will you do? What is the next step? What is a by b by c by d?
A by b into d by c.
Multiplication by reciprocal. Division of two fraction means multiply it by the reciprocal denominator. Okay. Okay, that is. So numerator no change at all. 4 tan x by 1 minus tan square x into its reciprocal. So if you take the reciprocal, we will get 1 minus tan square x the whole square by the denominator we will get 1 minus tan square x the whole square minus 4 tan square x. Okay, so now look at here. In the numerator we have 1 minus tan square x the whole square. Denominator we have 1 minus tan square x. So 1 minus tan square x will get cancelled. So this is same as 4 tan x into, so it will become 1 minus tan square x by, here we can expand. We can expand it using the identity a minus b the whole square. We expand it using the identity a square minus 2ab plus b square plus tan raised to 4x minus 4 tan square x. Now group the terms and write. So it is 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x by 1 square is 1 minus 6 tan square x plus tan raised to 4x. Sania, is it okay, Sania?
Yes, ma'am.
So whether we are getting RHS? So we are starting from LHS and we are proving that is equal to RHS. So this question at least 2 times you should practice it. Okay. If you practice it only you will be getting the answer. Or in the exam, what happens? You will be writing and striking, okay, scribbling and writing, striking it off. Again you will do, okay, at least 2 times practice it, so the method becomes easy for you. Once again I will repeat this, okay. We are using the tan 2a formula. Tan 2a formula. The question is, prove that tan 4x is equal to 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x by 1 minus 6 tan square x plus tan raised to 4x. We start from LHS. LHS we have tan 4x. Tan 4x we can write this as tan 2 into 2x. For our convenience we are taking 2x is equal to y. So it takes the form tan 2a. What is tan 2a? 2 tan a by 1 minus tan squared a. So what is tan 2y? 2 tan y by 1 minus tan squared y. So substitute for y. What is y? 2x. So 2 tan 2x by 1 minus tan squared 2x. Now once again substitute the formula for tan 2x. We don't want multiple angle in RHS. So we should remove this 2x. So tan 2x is 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a by 1 minus, what is tan square x? 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x the whole square. Then we are simplifying. Okay. The next step, we are simplifying here. A by b the whole square means it is a square by b square. So 2 square. Denominator, no, we are multiplying this. 2 into 2 it will become 4. Numerator 4 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. Denominator we have the form a by b the whole square. It is a square by b square. Then you cross multiply this. So 4 tan x by 1 minus tan squared x by, when we cross multiply 1 minus tan square x the whole square minus 4 tan square x by 1 minus tan square x the whole square. Division of fraction means multiplication by reciprocal. So 1 minus tan square x will get cancelled. Then so we will get 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x by, here it is of the form a minus b the whole square. So a square minus 2ab plus b square minus 4 tan square x. So which is same as 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x by 1 minus 6 tan square x plus tan raised to 4x, which is equal to RHS. Is it okay? Atul, is it clear? Is it okay?
Yes,
Ashwin? Ashwin?
Yes, ma'am.
Michael? Any doubt in this question, Michael?
No, ma'am.
Copied? Copied this one? Okay. Is it okay, children? Gauri?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we move on to the next one? So
Yes.
what today's work is, children, you do this question once again. Let it become thorough. Okay? Now next one. Do the 24th question. We are going to solve the 24th question. Write the question. Prove that cos 4x is equal to cos 4x is equal to 1 minus 8 sin square x cos square x. Cos 4x is equal to 1 minus 8 sin square x cos square x. Okay, so we start from LHS. So LHS we have cos 4x. Cos 4x we can split this as cos 2 into 2x. Okay, then what is the next step? Put 2x is equal to y. So it becomes cos 2y. Cos 2a we have, how many formulas we have? Cos 2a. How many formulas we have for cos 2a? How many formulas we have for cos 2a? 4 formulas are there, isn't it, Nandana?
4.
4. So, which one you will use here? Look at the result. Which one you will use?
In terms of sign.
In terms of?
Sign.
Sign. In
First
terms
one,
of sign. Very good. Why Gayatri? Gayatri is it Gayatri giving the answer? Okay. Why Gayatri? Why you are going with sign?
Because the RHS has only sign terms.
In RHS you have sin x, cos x. You have sin x, cos x. Again sin we know that we can write sin 2a as 2 sin a cos a. Is that no? Aditya? Sin 2a we can write it as 2 sin a cos a. So first step you write cos in terms of sin. What is cos 2a in terms of sin, Gayatri?
1 minus 2 sin square.
So it is 1 minus 2 sin square y. So it is 1 minus 2 sin square. What is y? 2x. Which is same as 1 minus 2 sin 2x the whole square, isn't it? Sin 2x the whole square, which is 1 minus 2. What is sin 2x? What is sin 2x? It is 2 sin x cos x the whole square, which is 1 minus 2. What is a minus? What is 2 sin x cos x the whole square? It is 4 sin square x cos square x. So which is same as 1 minus 8 sin square x cos square x, which is same as RHS. Okay? Is it clear? Punya?
Yes, ma'am.
Nandana, is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Right on this. Shall we do the next one? Okay, Sania? Write the next one. Yes? Not completed. Your voice is breaking, Sania. See, can someone repeat what she is saying? What? Which one? The previous question, Sania. Okay, I'll explain it. Okay, the question is prove cos 4x is equal to 1 minus 8 sin square x cos square x. We start from LHS. So in LHS we have cos 4x. 4x we can write this as 2 into 2a. So we can write this as cos 2 into 2x. Now you take 2x as y. 2x is y. So cos 2y. What is cos 2y? Three formulas are there. For cos 2a we have cos square a minus sin square a. 2 cos square a minus 1. 1 minus 2 sin square a. And then in terms of tan. What is in terms of tan? 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a. So although we are having 4 formula, we go with the formula in terms of sine, because the final answer we are having sine and cos. So we are writing with using this formula 1 minus 2 sine square a. So here it is 1 minus 2 sine square y. Okay, but what is y? It is 2x. So replacing for y in the next step. So it is 2 into sine 2x the whole square. What is sine 2a? It is 2 sine a cos a. It is 2 sine a cos a the whole square. So which is 2 into, expand it. When you expand it, you will get 4 sine square x cos square x, which is same as 1 minus 8 sine square x cos square x, which is equal to the RHS. Okay, Sania?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, the next one. Write the next question. Prove that cos 6x is equal to, prove that cos 6x is equal to 32 cos raised to 6x minus 48 cos raised to 4x plus 18 cos square x minus 1, plus 18 cos square x minus 1. So you start from LHS. So in LHS we have what we have? Cos 6x. 6 we can write it as 3 into 2x, you can write 2 into 3x. Both are same, both are equivalent. So anyhow we have to use both the formulas, 3a formula and 2a formula, both the formulas you have to use. Okay. So I am going to write this as 6x. Okay, both are equivalent. I am going to write this as sine 3 into 2x. The next step, you put 2x is equal to y. So it takes the form cos 3y. What is cos 3a? What is cos 3a? What is cos 3a? Dia.
4 cos cube a
yes.
minus 3 cos a.
4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. So here it is y. So cos 3y is 4 cos cube y minus 3 cos y, which is same as 4 cos cube. What is y? Y is 2x minus 3 cos 2x. 4 cos cube 2x minus 3 cos 2x. So that is equivalent to 4. Now look at the final answer. We want everything in terms of cos. So you replace for cos 2x in terms of cos. What is cos 2x in terms of cos? It is 2 cos square x minus 1 the whole cube minus 3 into, here also again cos 2x in terms of cos. So it is 2 cos square x minus 1. Now expand it. Expand it using the identity a minus b the whole cube. A minus b the whole cube. What is a minus b the whole cube? A minus b the whole cube is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Okay, so I am using the identity. So a minus b the whole cube is 2 cos square x the whole cube, a cube, minus 3a square b, 3 cos square x the whole square into 1, plus 3ab squared. So 3 into cos squared x into 1 square minus 1 cube. So 4 into the expansion using a minus b the whole cube minus, now look at here, minus 3 is common for these two terms. Open the bracket, distributivity. So minus 6 cos square x, minus of minus is plus 3. Okay. Now next step, this is same as 4 into, now here you open this, 2 cos square x the whole cube. So when you expand it, it is 8 cos raised to 6x minus 3 into 2 cos square x the whole square. So you will get 4 cos raised to 4x plus 3 into 2, 6 cos squared x minus 1 minus 6 cos square x plus 3. So which is same as, if you open the bracket, 8 4s are 32 cos raised to 6x minus 4 3s are 12, 12 4s are 48, 48 cos raised to 4x plus 24 cos square x minus 4 minus 6 cos square x minus 6 cos square x plus 3. Okay, plus 3. So then group it and write, you will get the final answer. So which is same as which is 32 cos raised to 6x minus 48 cos raised to 4x plus cos raised to 4x. 24 minus 6 means it is 18 cos square x minus 1. So whether you are getting the RHS, check it. We started from LHS and whether we are getting that is equal to RHS. Is it okay, children? Is it okay? Okay. Is it clear, children? Huh? Is it okay, Diya?
Yes, ma'am.
Once again we can do it. Okay, we are going to do that one once again because it's I know it is somewhat a difficult one. You can do it once again. Okay, now do it. Okay, you try to do it. If you have copied it, no problem, do it again. Do it again. If you do it 2 or 3 times only, it will be clear for you. Once again try it and check whether you are able to prove it. Okay, those who can't follow, once listen to it. Okay, I'll explain it once again. So we are starting from LHS. LHS we have cos 6x Cos 6x we are splitting and writing this as cos 3 into 2x. Then this 2x we are taking it as y, so it is cos 3y. What is cos 3a? It is 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. Now what is y? You replace for y. So it is 4 cos cube 2x minus 3 cos 2x. So that is 4 into, what is cos 2x in terms of cos? So 2 cos square a minus 1 the whole cube minus 3 into 2 cos squared a minus 1. The next step, expand it using the identity a minus b the whole cube. So it is a cube minus 3a square b, 2 cos squared x the whole square into 1 plus 3ab square. So 3 cos square x into 1 square minus 1 cube minus, now open the bracket, minus 6 cos square x, minus of minus is plus 3. Okay, so that is 4 into, what is 2 cos square x the whole cube? 8 cos raised to 6x minus 2 cos square x the whole square. So 2 on squaring you will get 4, 4 into 3 is 12 cos raised to 4x. Again plus 6 cos square x minus 1 minus 6 cos square x plus 3. Now open the bracket. 32 cos raised to 6x minus 48 cos raised to 4x plus 24 cos square x minus 4 minus 6 cos square x plus 3. Now group and write the terms. So 32 cos raised to 6x minus 48 cos raised to 4x. From 24 if you subtract 16, it is 18 cos square x minus 1, which is same as RHS. Now check whether you are getting the results. Is it okay? Is it clear, children? Okay? Okay, children? Dia, is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt here, Michael? Srihari?
No, ma'am.
No. Achud? No. If you take 2 into 3x also, one time you have to use 3a, then again you have to use 2a. Both are same, more or less the same thing only you will get. Okay, you can try in that way also, Gayatri. If you want, you can do it as 2 into 3x. There you have to square it. Here we are cubing. Okay, both are equivalent. Okay. So the next set of formula, write down. Next is sum to product. Next set you write down sum to product. Okay, sum to product. Sum to product. So suppose you are given in the sum, you are going to write it in the form of product. Sum to product. The first formula is, listen children, right? Sin A plus sin B. Here it is sum. Look at the sin A plus sin B will be same as 2 sin A plus B by 2 into cos A minus B by 2. If it is in sum, we can write it in the product. Proof is not needed. Sum to product, sin of A plus B is 2 sin A plus B by 2 cos A minus B by 2. The next one is sin A minus sin B. When minus comes and if it both are sin A minus sin B is first term will be cos. 2 cos of A plus B by 2 into sin A minus B by 2 into sin A minus B by 2. Next is cos. What is cos A plus cos B? Cos A plus cos B is 2 cos A plus B by 2 into cos A minus B by 2. What is cos A plus cos B? 2 cos A plus B by 2 into cos A minus B by 2. What is cos A minus cos B? If it is cos and subtract, minus is the difference, means cos A minus cos B is minus 2 sin A plus B by 2 into sin A minus B by 2. Minus 2 sin A plus B by 2 into sin A minus B by 2. So, sin of A plus B is 2 sin A plus B by 2 into cos A minus B by 2. If sin, both the terms are sin, means one will be in sin, other one will be in cos. So, sin of A plus B is 2 sin A plus B by 2 cos A minus B by 2. What is sin A minus sin B? 2 cos A plus B by 2 sin A minus B by 2. Cos A plus cos B is 2 cos A plus B by 2 into cos A minus B by 2. And what is cos A minus cos B? Minus 2 sin A plus B by 2 into sin A minus B by 2. So, in the next class, along with the previous set of formulas, this one also you have to learn and come. Okay. So, in the next class, along with that 4 remaining formula, this 4 also you have to include. Sum to product. Sum to product, 4 formulas are there. Okay. Okay children, meet you in the next class. Thank you.